When is Kiko gonna run TKL again? And hopefully at the unfinished finish too. It's a drawing of black on black, but it's told you can choose any color from Kiko. Damn. How many people do you think enter those raffles? At least 4,000, right? Or is that too much? More than that? Really? Do you think like 10,000? 8 will only get it? Holy moly. You want a Kiko so bad? I think everyone and their mother wants a Kiko so badly. The cool thing about like these keyboards is that they're all so unique. It's crazy how they've exploded in popularity. I mean, Kiko has always made really good products, right? I mean, he's already like started blowing up, but I think Gion will be the next Kiko. Do you like that they send out those type of emails? Uh-oh, stinky? What? I know I need to take this off, but I'm just positioning them. How you doing, Connor? You're still happy? About what? Is that the Hey Connor video? Kimmy? Let's look. Oh, she's really nice. Yeah, Kimmy's really nice. Thankfully, the frog will be continually restocked. Wait, Oxy, was it you who was like, you're entering for Gion's frog? I was like, it's a surprise if I like get it or not. Like, you just like, was it you who just like knew? I guess everyone and their mother is trying to get the frog TKO. At least all the streamers are trying to. What's my favorite keycap set and board? board. My Squirtle TKL keycap-set, probably botanical at the moment. Check the leaf spring playmount by pressing firmly and keys on the edge. No flex.